My name is Vaishnavi Sutar and I have done BE Mechanical from PES Modern College of Engineering from Pune. I am 2019 pass out and I have joined Qspiders from last 2 months and I have been placed in AQM Technologies, Mumbai. And I would like to thank all the staff members and the non-teaching staff over here. And special thanks to Ekta ma'am for teaching me great skills in SQL and manual testing for Anvis sir. And I have got great support in Qspiders, great motivation, and they have made me believe in myself that I could get placement even though late pass out. And yeah, I have got great motivation from this organization. And lastly, I would like to thank all the teaching and the non-teaching staff. Thank you.